Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without 1K followers. Now, we need to know that one of the most important conditions in order to go live on TikTok is to get 1,000 followers. And actually, to get 1,000 followers is very easy and simple. Now, when I go to my profile, here as you can see, I have only 836 followers. When I click on this plus sign, I have here the live option, which can actually be used. So how you can actually do that? Simply, you need to know that this number, the 1,000 followers, may vary from a region to another. This is the first thing. And the second thing is that when you have many followers and many likes on your page, you can simply go live without any problems. So here in my case, as you can see, I have many videos on my own TikTok. You just have to upload some videos, get some views, and this is actually an easy process in TikTok. And here in my case, you can see that I'm following 999. So you can also go and follow people and they will follow you back so that you can simply get the 1000 followers within very short time. And another thing that you can actually do is to simply make your account a business account so that you can also go live without having the same number of followers. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.